Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to withdraw money from the Empower, then this video is for you. First, you just need to log into your Empower account with your account credentials. Then you will find banking option at the navigation bar at the top side of that website, just like here. And you will find banking. Simply tap on it, and there you will find the transfer button. Simply tap on transfer and go to the transfer manager or transfer funds actually. So if you tap on transfer funds, then you will find these three options here. First one is for deposit, and second one is for something transfer between Emperor personal cash and your personal strategy. And if you want to withdraw that money from your Empower account, then you can go with this third option, that withdraw from Empower personal cash or your personal strategy. Then you can just go with the third option here. Whenever you tap on it, it will just ask for entering the value of the fund that you want to withdraw from the Emperor. Then you have to enter that amount and all the credentials like your passwords, your username and passwords, and you have to confirm that transformation. And you have to also send or add the destination where you want to withdraw that money. It could be a bank account or a credit card or debit card, or it could be a mobile banking. So make sure that your bank is available on Empower. So then you can just select your bank, or you can add your credit card or debit card as a payment method, so you can just deposit or withdraw money through your card. So then after successfully submitting a request, you will receive a confirmation email shortly after clicking submit. So if your transfer request could not be submitted, you will receive a notice on your dashboard that immediately after clicking submit there. So if you do not receive a confirmation mail, please contact them at this email, so that and they can confirm if the request was submitted or not. Then you can just click on then you can just confirm the transfer. And whenever you confirm the transfer, it will take a little time, and after that you will find that your money and or your the funds will be withdrawn to your account. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.